Today's global wireless infrastructure is growing at an unprecedented pace. At RFS, we understand that no matter how complex a large-scale wireless network might be, the performance comes down to the individual elements. One weak link in the chain, and your network performance and your customer satisfaction can be compromised. When you design your site and decide to invest in state-of-the-art technology, you are planning on a reliable network architecture in which each and every element is selected to guarantee performance and avoid loss. The only way to ensure absolute reliability is by using the best components available, including premium jumpers. That's why leading carriers trust RFS for the best performing, most reliable jumpers in the industry. At RFS, we invented seam-welded corrugated coaxial cables. Our exceptional line of factory-fit jumper cables is field-proven and widely regarded as the trusted backbone of wireless antenna systems. RFS jumpers are manufactured with the strictest controlled industrial processes and highest testing standards. RFS jumpers are purpose-built using connector parts soldered onto state-of-the-art foam dielectric coaxial cables. All RFS jumpers go through a comprehensive final testing process, provide superior mechanical and electrical performance, are strong, reliable, and rugged to withstand severe environmental conditions. RFS's worldwide locations ensure fast, accurate delivery of your order. Jumper cables from RFS are the ideal combination of flexibility, low loss, high strength, and reliable performance.
My harness protects my life during my work. RFS jumpers guarantee quality and success.
As today's wireless networks expand and traditional feeders are being replaced with non-coaxial solutions, don't risk lower performance. Trust premium jumpers as part of a total package solution from the leader in wireless infrastructure. RFS, anticipating your needs, connected to the future.